Hi guys, welcome to Team Tech Dom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Pandas data frame as a CSV file. This step is important, especially after data cleaning. Let's say you have a data set and the data set was really dirty and you had to write a lot of code in Python to clean this data set. It wouldn't be effective to keep running the script over and over again every time you want to analyze that data set. So what you can do is to save your clean data set to a CSV file. So when you want to do analysis, just load up that clean data set. So I'm going to show you how you can convert your cleaned Pandas data frame to a CSV file. Here I'm loading up the Titanic data set. So I'm just going to run this first line of code. Okay, so here is our Titanic data set. If you notice, you'll see that there are some missing values in this data set. We have a missing value here. So for data cleaning, what I'm going to do is to get rid of missing values. So all the rows or records with missing values, I'm going to remove them. So that's df.drop NA, and I set the in place parameter to true to modify the actual data frame. And before I run this, let's check the size of our data set. df.shape. Right, so we have 1309 records. Let's see how many records left after dropping the missing values. Okay, so now that we've gotten rid of some of the missing values, we have 999 records left. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay, let me print out the data set first. You can check the first 15 items. Okay, you notice the row with index 15 has been removed. And also the row with index 13 where there was a missing value. Okay, let's save this cleaned data set. To do this, there is a method known as to CSV. So df.toCSV, and we can specify the name we want to give our data set. I'm going to use Titanic new or Titanic cleaned rather, and .csv. And let's run this code. Right, now that is done running, we can check the file to see if and you can see that the data set has been created here. So if I run this code, maybe add clean 2, just run it again and check, and yeah, so you can see our clean data set. The original data set was 107 kilobytes, and now the clean data set is 95.8 kilobytes. So anytime you're doing data analysis, maybe you go through a long process to clean your data, it's advisable to save your cleaned data set so you don't have to run your script to clean the data each time you want to do analysis. All you need to do is just load your clean data set and proceed. But you can save your data cleaning code so you can use it as a template for another data set you may want to clean. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.